So this is the US 30 analysis for Wednesday, the 21st of March. Now, let's just have a look at where prices may likely go. So previously, we had a strong persistent sell-off here on the US 30, from which we have seen a bit of a recovery developing here. And we've posted our lows, higher low. We've gone into a bit of a slow move to the upside, slow consolidative move to the upside. Not indicating much strength, but it's a recovery nonetheless. Now, we do appear to be turning a bit of a corner here. We've come up towards this 24,800, in around this 24,800. Just bear with me a second here. So we've come up towards this 24,800. On the US 30, and we do appear to be pulling back a little bit here on the US 30 from the 24,800. We do seem poised, if we do see the downside continuation, to head down towards that 24,700. It isn't very far away, considering that we are talking about the US 30 that does have a bit of a significant range developing here on the US 30. We do have quite, I think the ATR is about 500 or so points. The daily ATR is about 500 or so points. So if we do see that further downside continuation here, we are looking for prices here down towards that 24,700. Successful break from which we're looking for prices here down to that 24,650, and a breakdown from there 24,550, 510, and eventually down towards let's just have a look where that is. If we are to see that breakdown, eventually down towards that 24,420, which would expect to be the far end of the range. I wouldn't anticipate 24,238 coming into focus. If, however, we do turn around from where we are at present, or at 24,700 or 650, we are looking for price to retest at 24,800. Successful break from which we're looking for price then up towards the significant level of 24,864. And if we are to successfully navigate 24,864, we are looking for prices then up towards that 25,000 mark. In around 25,000 mark, we do have daily confluence of the 200 and 400 period moving averages, sitting slightly below that level here on the charts. And if we do have sufficient volatility, 25,100 could come into focus here on the US 30. Now, if we have a look at the daily chart, and we get the scale on here correct. As we can see, I've put in a bit of a trend line here. I've put in this trend line, and we've broken out of the trend line to the downside. So we'll see if we do have that bullish buy side momentum come up for a retest of that trend line, or if we do see that further sell side continuation to the downside. Now, with that said, let's just see the trend line here on the hourly charts. Well, trend line would currently be sitting in around that 25,100 mark. So would require quite a bit of volatility to get up there. But if we did, we'll look to see if we do find that resistance in around 25,100 as well as that trend line. And with that said, that wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.